What if your Google Sheet could become a beautiful, searchable website table in just one click? Most table publishing tools require exporting data, importing files, formatting everything again, and repeating the process every time your spreadsheet changes. Simply open your Google Sheet containing your data. Click Extensions, choose GS2 WebSAS, then select New Table. Choose your favorite theme, add a title, customize a few display options, and click Publish. Copy the embed code from your dashboard and paste it into your website. That's it. Your table is instantly live, fully responsive, searchable across every column, sortable with a click, and ready for thousands of visitors. Stop exporting spreadsheets, start publishing live data, turn your Google Sheet into a professional web table with GSheetPress.